Hey, Pat Batchelor here. Wanted just to reach out today and give you a quick tip. If you're in the market looking for a job, one of the things I always encourage engineers is to connect with people that can say yes to you when you're looking for a job. Say yes, either you can have an interview or yes, you're hired. So, wanted just today to take a look at. Folks that you can connect with in a real quick search is using LinkedIn to do a search for recruiters, because recruiters are real important in your search. Is that it helps you. They are the folks that kind of guard the gate, so to speak, or just know a lot of people, and so making connections with recruiters can help you in your job search. So we're just going to I'm using LinkedIn Premium here. And so first thing I want to do is just put a keyword in here of a search. And I'm just going to say civil engineering. Make sure I spelled that right. Civil engineering recruiter. And that's going to be people that have those three words, civil engineering and recruiter. For example, we're using, in this example, someone that is a civil engineer is looking to make connections with folks that are civil engineering. Now, you'll see here that there's about 43,000 people, and that's way too many. But we'll go right here to the next one, and we'll type in, we're going to type in Atlanta on this one. And so if you're a civil engineer in the Atlanta area, you're looking for a job, this is how you're going to find the recruiters that you need. And so you'll see here, whoops, we needed to type in Atlanta. We click there, hit apply, and now we're down to 831 people. So then you can start off and you can say, wow, here's Hannah Bentley, Eva Radkula, and Sunny, and then you just keep on going. And then when you want to connect with them, it's real simple. You just go boom, hit connect. You can add a note if you want, and it's helpful if you want to do that. That way they kind of get a little bit of idea about who you are. Or if you just say, I'm connecting, I don't want to take too much time to do it, you just go boom, you're done. And you've sent one connection, boom, you're done. There's two. And real quickly, you can vastly increase the size of your network. And so doing this by real quickly in your sector, so put the keywords in there in your sector and then the word recruiter, it's going to pop up, several hundreds often people that you want to talk to. And so just be careful. One of the things LinkedIn does is they limit you to about 50 connections per day, which is great because once you send out those 50 connections, they're going to reach back to you and then you can start a conversation that might lead to your next job. So I just call that my 50 connections per day. And if you make a blitz, you can increase the number of people who are aware of who you are and what you're looking for. So that's my tip for the week. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you next time.